This video is brought to you by VolunteerAudio.com, your #1 source for all things Harley Davidson audio. From individual radios, speakers, and amps to complete plug-and-play amp and speaker systems, we've got you covered. And once you've ordered your package from Volunteer Audio, it includes lifetime tech support. And we have the very best step-by-step installation video so you can install it yourself and save money. Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and today we're making you a video showing you how to remove the fairing on a 2015 to 2023 Harley Davidson Road Glide. Let's go over the tools that we're going to need first. We're going to need a #2 Phillips screwdriver. This is going to be possibly the hardware around the windshield, and it is factory. Sometimes people have changed out that hardware and they're now using a 1/8 Allen headed tool, so you could get you an Allen head T handle. We're also going to need a 3/16 Allen to remove some of the bolts on the side of the fairing, and a T25 Torx driver. You'll also want a panel removal tool. This is just a non-marring tool, something that you can pop panels off without scratching your paint. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to need our #2 Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to remove the 4 bolts around the top of the windshield. This is on the outer fairing. We'll go ahead and remove them one at a time, but we're going to take our windshield off before we completely remove our last bolt, just to make sure that it doesn't fall off. Again, so this one used a #2 Phillips. Quite often we see that it's a 1/8 Allen. It could be a Torx, like a T25 as well, depending on what hardware has been changed out. See, as we loosen this last bolt, we're going to go ahead and wiggle and just get this windshield off just to make sure it doesn't fall and hit the ground. I'm going to remove our last bolt. Next, we're going to take our panel removal tool, and as you see, we're going to come under and we're just going to pop this loose. There's a couple little quick clips you see there. Get that out of our way. Next, we're going to unplug the side marker lights. These are these 2 connectors you see here. So just simply unplug these. We'll take a T25 Torx and remove the most lower or the most bottom screw on each side of the inner fairing. Leave the upper one there that holds the little side vents on. You don't need to remove it at all. Now that we have those out, we're going to take our 3/16 Allen and remove the bolts holding our side marker lights. Now the marker lights are connected to the fairing with an additional bolt that we don't have to remove, so don't worry, they're not going to fall off when you take this bolt out. Next, we're going to take our same panel removal tool and pop out our speaker grills. As you see here, start at the innermost side and just unsnap it. If you start on the other side, you could break your grill. Now this is the last bolt we're going to remove. It's going to be a T30. We normally use a T25 because it fits in, they're not that tight. You already have that driver out normally already. So now here's our last bolt. So we've done the other side. Once you remove this one, make sure you're holding the fairing because nothing is holding it in place after this bolt comes out. Now simply just grab your fairing, slide it off, and set it over somewhere where it's not going to hurt, and we can move on to the next process. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember Volunteer Audio for all your Harley Davidson audio needs. Please like this video so more people will see it, and subscribe to our channel so you can see more content like this as you go through your upgrade to your Harley Davidson and audio, or if you just want to see other new products as they come out. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, God bless.